Good afternoon, peeps. Al Q here with a mid-afternoon update. And this is what our storm is going to do. Kaboom. All right, it is going to be one heck of a snowstorm, ladies and gentlemen. So we can move this up a little bit. You get to see me here in the bottom corner. There I am. Let me move myself up a little bit. There's my mug. You can put the voice to the face now. First time ever on this January the 30th. Here's a storm. Hours of power, of white powder. As you can see, the storm starts out in the Iowa region, cuts across the southern Great Lakes through Chicago, Chi-Town, through Ohio and Indiana, through Pennsylvania and the Great Penn State, through New Jersey into Connecticut, up to southern New England. This is going to be a doozy. All right, here we go in our region. Here is the Kuchera. Shows the snow ratios. Tries to pin him down. Ralphie, what I say, right? What I say to you this morning in the text, Ralphie. 26 inches the NAM had, the Euro showing 22 inches. It is going to be a humdinger. You're talking hours and hours of power. You're talking 24 to 34, 32 hours of snow. They're going to be talking about it. We're going to be calling for a blizzard. We're going to have blizzard conditions. 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Up by the QU, 55-mile-an-hour wind gusts. 60-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Wouldn't be out of the question. This is going to be a powerful storm. It's going to last for hours. When is it starting? It's going to start Sunday night. Northern New Jersey, anywhere 9, 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock. It will snow through Tuesday early morning, 9 o'clock, maybe a little sooner, maybe 6 a.m. it's done, maybe a little later. You're like, why don't you know? Because it's going to what's called occlude. It's going to just sit here and circle around and rot out as it starts to pull north. We will get dry slotting where the storm wraps up very tight. It's tucked in here, but we also will get the best snows. We're looking at 1 to 3 inch hour snowfall rates anywhere from Monday morning, 4 to 7 a.m., right on through to Monday night. Okay, here is my boy Willie C., his first snowfall map, 10 to 16. I think we're going to see lollipops, little areas of 20, 18, maybe 24 inches in this blue region up here. All right. Heed the warning. Get to the store. Get your gasoline. Fill up your car. Fill up your gas tank. Mama, we're going to need a bigger snowblower. All right. So that's what we have in store. 2-dayer. Nail it down. Here it comes. All right. It's going to be bad. And on the heels of it, we may see a cutter next week. Towards the end, you're like, wow, a cutter, what's that? A storm that runs inland of us, bring us rain. Snow Princess, Snow Queen are not going to be happy, but you have to live and die with it. And then the Arctic floodgates may open from that cutter. We have to see how that unfolds. Right now, looking too far ahead. Okay? But here you have it. A major snowstorm, blizzard-like conditions, maybe an all-out blizzard for 12, 18 hours. Going to be kind of historic. It'll go down in the Nisus book of historical snowstorms for the Northeast. From D.C., Christopher, all the way up to Boston. One heck of a storm. That's it for now. Have a wonderful day. Get prepared. Don't be scared. Ciao, ciao.